Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today we are back with another easy to follow tutorial and we are learning how to log out of your Steam application on your PC. If you've downloaded and installed the Steam app on your PC and you'd like to log out of your account, first of all launch open the Steam application on your computer or your laptop. And once you're inside the home section, go to the top right corner and tap on this little drop down where it shows your email address or your name. Once you see that pop up, go to the sign out of account button and click on that. And you'll be able to see this pop up where you need to click on confirm to sign out of your current account. Soon after you do that, you have successfully logged out of your Steam application on your PC. You can sign into your account whenever needed by entering your correct credentials, which is your Steam account's name and password. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.